In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy another Shopify store. What you are really doing here is copying the theme, which controls the look and layout of the storefront. This method is useful when you want the same design on another Shopify store you own or manage. Keep in mind that downloading a theme file copies the theme itself, not your products, customers, orders, or apps. Those are separate parts of your store. Start by signing in to the Shopify admin for the store that already has the theme you want to copy. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then open Themes. This is where Shopify lists your current live theme and any other themes in your theme library. Find the theme you want to copy. It might be the live theme, or it might be an unpublished theme sitting in the library. Take a moment to confirm you are choosing the correct one, because the file you download will match that exact theme version. Next, open the Theme Actions menu by clicking the three dots next to that theme. This menu contains options for managing and moving themes. From those options, choose Download Theme File. Shopify will prepare the theme export for you. You will not receive it instantly as a direct download in most cases. Instead, Shopify will send a zip file using your store notification settings. Once the zip file arrives, save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated folder for Shopify assets. Keep the zip file as is. Do not unzip it, rename internal files, or modify anything inside, because Shopify expects a specific structure when you upload it to another store. After that, you can go to the Shopify admin for your new store and upload the zip theme file to add the same theme there. When it is uploaded, you can publish it when you are ready. That covers everything you need to know.